August first week of every year is celebrated as Breastfeeding Week. Let's discuss some points which we encounter in day-to-day practice. Let's discuss first about cholesterol. What is this cholesterol panic, Dr. Chaitra?
Colostrum is the first milk which is received by the baby during the first few days post delivery. Colostrum is considered as liquid gold because it is a nutritional powerhouse which is packed with a lot of proteins, vitamins and minerals, and its immune boosting property is unparalleled to the artificials which is supplies which is there in the market.
So is the small quantity enough?
Yes, absolutely. Even the small quantity is enough to meet the nutritional needs of the newborn baby.
What do you think is the problem? Is that the low milk supply or is it the latching?
Okay, usually latching and positioning are the most common issues we face during early breastfeeding. However, there are medical conditions related to mother which can hamper this initial breast milk in mothers. However, before concluding the mother is having less milk, we must make sure first the latching, positioning and milk transfer is right.
So this basically the mother has to learn in what position she has to feed.
Yes.
Most of the mothers will be asking you, is my baby having enough milk? How can a mother make sure that the baby has been fed enough?
Okay. Rather than focusing on how much milk mother is producing or how longer mother feeds, it is always better to look into objective signs. For example, first one, the baby has passed 6 to 8 times urine in 24 hours. Second will be if the baby is fed 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. Third will be if the baby looks satisfied after every feed. Fourth one will be consistent weight gain after 10 to 14 days of date.
So it is about the activities of the baby, not the amount of the milk not used.
Breastfeeding can be unfamiliar during the first few days after delivery, but persistent pain in the mother, what could be the causes?
Discomfort is common, but pain is not. If somebody has consistent pain, then there could be the reasons like cracked nipple. It could be breast engorgement, that is milk accumulated inside the breast. It could be because of infection or any pus formation.
But there are some if and conditions also which can cause the mother to have this breast cord engorgement. So it is better to evaluate both mother and baby in case if the mother is having persistent pain. Breastfeeding is recommended as a nutritious supplement for baby, but it has benefits to mother as well.
Yes, there are lots of benefits for the mother, but mainly it forms an emotional bond between mother and the baby, and also it helps for the physical transformation of the mother following delivery, and in the long run it protects against breast cancer. These are the main benefits, but yes, there are lot more added benefits for the mother of breastfeeding.
Yes, so both mother and babies are benefited with this breast milk. The goal of the breastfeeding is a well-nourished baby,
Happy, healthy mother.
feeding plan which works both for mother and baby.
Happy breastfeeding week.